Another thing I like about the kite string is being able to start tying before you finished folding the whole shirt. So sometimes I'll do a scrunch where I want to do the staggered rainbow. So I'll start scrunching at the bottom of the tee. And once I kind of have just a little bit of this going, I'll go ahead and start tying it up. That way that part is held in place and I don't have to try to hold it while I'm scrunching the rest of the shirt. So I tied that part up. And then I'll scrunch more, and then I'll just keep tying as I go. So it lets me work on smaller pieces of the shirt at a time.